Hello everyone. My name is Alice. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can understand me easily. You will learn useful words and phrases for talking about everyday life. This video is a great way to practice your English listening and speaking.
My day begins at 7 o'clock in the morning. The alarm rings, and I slowly open my eyes. For a few moments, I stay in bed, feeling the warmth of the blanket. The room is quiet and peaceful. A little sunlight enters through the curtains. I stretch my arms and sit up. I put my feet on the floor and stand. The floor feels cool under my skin. I walk to the bathroom. In the mirror, I see my sleepy face and messy hair. But I smile gently at myself and whisper, "Good morning, Alice. You can do this." I brush my teeth carefully until they feel clean. Then I wash my face with cold water. The fresh water makes me feel awake. After that, I go to the kitchen. I boil water for tea. I take 2 slices of bread and spread butter on them. I sit near the window with my breakfast. As I sip my tea and eat slowly, I look outside. The street is calm, only a few people walking. The morning sun is bright now, and the sky is clear. I feel peaceful and ready for the day. After breakfast, I get dressed for university. I choose simple clothes and carry my bag. I check my books one last time, then leave home. Outside, the city is awake. Children walk to school, holding their parents' hands. People hurry to work, carrying bags and briefcases. Shops are opening. The air feels busy and full of life. I walk to the bus stop. A few people are waiting there. Some talk with each other, some stand silently. Soon, the bus arrives. I step inside and sit near the window. As the bus moves, I watch the streets pass by. I see small shops, fruit sellers arranging baskets, children in uniforms, and workers carrying tools. Everything looks alive, with energy. After some time, I reach my university. I walk inside the tall building, climb the stairs, and enter my classroom. My classmates are already there. Some are chatting, some are reading, and some are writing in notebooks. I smile at them and take my seat. The teacher comes in and greets us. We all answer politely. The lesson begins. I open my notebook. I listen to the teacher's words carefully. Sometimes I write notes, sometimes I read aloud. Sometimes I just listen quietly. The room feels serious and calm. After some hours, it is time for lunch. I go to the canteen. It is filled with students eating, laughing, and talking. I buy a simple meal of rice and vegetables. I sit at a table, eat slowly, and drink some water. When lunch ends, I return to the classroom for more lessons. The afternoon sun comes through the windows. The light is warm. I feel a little tired, but I continue to focus. When the lessons finish, I pack my bag and leave the university. I step outside and breathe deeply. The sky is bright and the air feels lighter. I decide to go to the park. I walk to the park, slowly. The road is calmer now. When I enter the park, I feel relaxed. Children are playing on the swings. Some people are jogging on the path. Others sit quietly on benches. The trees are tall and green. Flowers of many colors decorate the sides of the path. I sit on a bench under the shade of a tree. I enjoy the fresh breeze and close my eyes for a moment. I feel calm. After a short time, I see my friend James. He is walking toward me, smiling. I stand up to greet him. "Hello, James," I say. "Hello, Alice," he replies warmly. We begin walking together along the park path. We talk about our day. I tell him about my classes at the university. He tells me about his work. Our conversation is light and cheerful. We laugh at small jokes. The walk feels peaceful. The trees above us move gently in the wind. The flowers look beautiful. The voices of children mix with the soft sound of nature. I feel happy. After some time, James looks at his watch. He says, "Alice, I must go now. I have some work to do." I nod and reply, "Of course, James. It was nice walking with you." We smile, say goodbye, and he leaves the park. I sit again for a short while. The sun is moving lower in the sky. The shadows are longer now. After enjoying the moment, I decide to go home. I arrive home in the evening. The house feels quiet after the busy day. I put my bag down. I go to the kitchen to prepare dinner. I wash some vegetables and cut them carefully. I cook rice and stir the vegetables in a pan. The food smells good. When dinner is ready, I sit at the table, alone. The room is silent, except for the soft sound of my movements. I eat slowly, thinking about my day. I remember my morning breakfast near the window. I remember the lessons at university. I remember walking with James in the park. Each memory feels warm and clear. After finishing dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the table. The kitchen looks neat again. The night begins. I sit on the sofa in my living room. I watch a little television. The programs are quiet and simple. After a while, I turn it off. I take a book and read a few pages. The story is gentle and relaxing. It makes me smile softly. Then, I take my diary and open it. I write about my day. Morning was fresh. University was busy. Afternoon in the park was peaceful. Evening at home was quiet. And now the night feels calm. I close my diary and put it away. Then, I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into my night clothes. Finally, I go to my bedroom. The bed looks soft and warm. I lie down and cover myself with a blanket. I close my eyes and whisper, "Good night, Alice. Sweet dreams." Slowly, I fall asleep.